Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a little apartment tour of my place here in Benidorm. I live in the Old Town, right in the heart on Plaza Triangulaire. I have a 3-bedroom. It runs me 1,250 euros a month. So without further ado, we'll get right into it. So as you enter, this is the view you'll have, and then right on the right hand side is the kitchen, all brand new, fully redone. Nice white cabinets, all brand new appliances, range hood, oven, stove, pretty decent sized fridge, not too bad. And then we have a laundry room out here, little sink, washer. This is from Italy. It's kind of weird. I'll show you. It's like, it's not bad. It does the job. And then in here we have a little shed, basically just some tools, mop buckets, laundry rack and stuff like that. And then this wall here that you're looking at, this is open to the air right in here in the laundry room. So we have this door to close for the wind and stuff and the rain. But this is kind of neat when you're cooking in the summer. This entire wall will open up. So you get this nice breeze as you're cooking on the stove here. It's a really nice setup. Very hard to clean though with the concrete wall on it's like in 2 inches from the glass. So anyways, but yeah, this is the kitchen, and then we will head right across into bedroom number 1 of 3. This is the biggest one in here. Kind of modern. All the furniture came with the place. We had to buy all like the towels, blankets, stuff like that. So there's another big wall here, full of glass. All these doors open, as you can see, right out into the roundabout. And then there's also an entrance off to the terrace here, which we never use because we have our patio table there. We usually have this curtain and this curtain closed most of the day because it gets super hot in here, which is kind of nice in the winter. When you go to bed, it's a little warm, but in the summer, it's like 40 degrees in here, and the AC does not reach down here. But yeah, this is the main bedroom here. And yeah, we will carry on out into the hallway. And here is bedroom number 2, which is not used. It's just a guest bedroom. Nice little closet, chair, and stuff like that. Great view out onto the, this is Avenida Mediterraneo, if you're not familiar with Benidorm. So this is the main entertainment kind of spot in the Old Town. And right across from the second bedroom is the main bath with the shower. It's got little vanity here, toilet, bidet, and a stand-up shower, all brand new. The whole place was completely redone when we took it. So that's kind of nice. It's, you know, a little small for North America standards, but for Europe, I think it's pretty decent. Then there's a half bath over here, which is kind of convenient. Of course, it's tiny, but yeah, it's not much to it. And here is bedroom number 3, which is usually where our guests stay because it's a little bit farther from the primary. Wardrobe, of course, my printer, little desk, and yeah, it's pretty nice. Pretty spacious. It really doesn't get used a whole lot. We have our grocery cart in here. And then, of course, off to the dining room. Nice big table, extra chair there. There's one heat pump one for the place. So you can get this room nice and cool. Little sideboard, some nice artwork. And of course, a nice view back out to Avenida Mediterraneo right here. We'll go out there in a sec after I show you the living room. And then another view, this is Plaza Triangulaire that we're looking at right now. All right, so we'll head into the main living area, which is full of glass walls, which is kind of nice. It's amazing in the summer. You open these up and you have the breeze just coming in. You sit, you can watch the plaza. But in the winter, it is absolutely freezing. So we do have heat pump number 2 there. There's that third bedroom there. There's curtains in there to wall that off. So basically what this room was, in my opinion, this was deck at one point, and then they kind of renovated and made this a little living room. You'll see the lights are just, these are like almost brand new. So they must have just used lamps in here. So this is totally an add-on, and I'll show you why. there's McDonald's. It's so hard to clean these windows because this is the old deck railing, so you can't really get out. It's very difficult. Anyway, all these open up, but we never do it because, of course, McDonald's in Spain is packed. And then the owners actually left a piano here, which is no big deal. We would never use this space. There's a little safe in the wall, which we don't have the combination to. Some fans. This is where we store our fans, obviously, because it is almost Christmas now. And it's pretty actually cold here. It gets down to, what do I say? In the mornings, like between 7 and 9. In the afternoon, it's still getting up to about 17. But the mornings it's definitely hoodie weather. Anyways, we'll walk out on the little terrace and have it. The view is amazing. That's one of the reasons why we took this place, and the space, and of course having a laundry room and stuff. But yeah, this is the main living room. It's kind of, you know, it does the job. It's nothing too fancy, but we like it. And the only other thing with all these glass walls, it can be extremely noisy. Plus, we live on the main, so like the all the parades and the fiesta stuff, it's all comes right by our place, which is cool. But if you want to get a good night's sleep, that's not happening during fiesta. Literally fireworks go off till like 2 in the morning. So anyways, here we are out on the terrace. Of course, there's the main bedroom back there on the other side of our patio table here, our little bistro table. And then we have just the thermometer and stuff. We usually have a bunch of plants out here, but it's December now. And then here's the heat pumps, and then nice big terrace. It's not super wide, but it's long. And then of course, here's the roundabout, Avenida Mediterraneo. The beach is literally right between those two buildings. That's the Mediterranean Sea right there. So we're like a block from the beach. And then Plaza Triangulaire, right now it's all decorated for Christmas. And then over here we have Bingo Plaza. And of course, McDonald's, which always has somebody at it till like about 1 in the morning. So anyways, that is the apartment tour. Thought I might give you a just kind of an idea of what is possible to get here. We had a hell of a time trying to get a place down in Fuengirola on the Costa del Sol that we liked, that was modern and big enough. We had no problem finding it here. Literally, we were in, oh, my door's slamming now that. Anyways, yeah, we found this very quick, and there is a lot more renovated and new places here in Benidorm and maybe Alicante in general. I know there's a lot of construction in the areas around Alicante. So if you're looking for something new or something renovated, highly recommend the Alicante region. If you have a huge budget, then you'll find something on the Costa del Sol, but we didn't want to get into something that was like, you know, 2,000 euros a month. This is only $12.50 for all this space. And again, look, right in the center, the trees got oranges on them, Christmas decorations everywhere. You can't beat the location, unless if you mind the noise. But yeah, anyways, hope you enjoyed the little apartment tour. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you in the next one.